What's happening, Kemimoto? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, today we're doing the install of the Kemimoto Lithium battery, which is a new product from Kemimoto. Ta-da! And Bubba's here with me. Well, actually, we're here with Bubba. So we came over to Bubba's house, man, to install this battery into his riding mower, which he's got a brand new. Tell me what it is, Bubba.
It's a Toro Titan 60-inch deck. It's got suspension on the seat.
Yeah, look at that thing, man. Look. That's high-tech redneck stuff there, man. Shit.
And they got a cat. It included a cat?
Yeah, included. Look at that. So that's pretty dope. 7,000 series, it says. Pro. 26 horsepower motor. This is what he's got in here right now, right? Titan battery. What we're going to do is we're going to swap it out with the Kemimoto lithium battery that we got from Kemimoto. The co-cranking amps on this thing is 300. And co-cranking amps on this joker is 480, so it's going to give them better cranking power. It'll last longer, and of course it's a lot lighter than what that thing is. Which
that thing right there probably at least 30 pounds.
Yeah, right. It's heavy duty.
That one probably like 4.
It was how much was this?
2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds. Yep. So, and then we're still at 90%. Right? You just push the button. So that's the cool thing, Bubba. You don't even have to check to see what charge you have, voltmeter on it or anything. You just boom, tells you how charged it is. But the good thing is about this thing too is we also found out that you don't need a special lithium battery charger. You can use just your regular standard battery charger, 12-volt battery charger for this thing. So that's dope. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out, put this one in, and then we'll show you how. Let's show them how it cranks up now, right? I don't know if you'll be able to see any difference in cranking, but we're gonna show you how it cranks up, and then we'll show you how it does it with this one in there. There you go. So that's that. So now we're going to throw this joker in. It does come with spacers and everything to put in there so we can make sure it's the right height. Tray is a lot wider than what this battery is, as you can see here. Tray is going to be a little wider, so we may try to throw some spacers on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then front to back too. So we'll see what we got to do. All right, let's get it out. So again, man, if you want to check this battery out, I'll leave the link down below to where you can go straight to it and order it up if you want to. If you haven't seen the unboxing video, I'll link that down here as well. You can check that out. All right. What you got? Titan, big old Titan. Let's see.
Lawn garden. I think it's just like a regular Home Depot battery.
Yeah, it's not. It's not a.
I can't see with the dirt.
It's not a deep cycle marine battery or nothing, right?
Nuh-uh.
Okay.
Alright. Is it pretty heavy?
Yeah. I'd say at least 20 pounds.
Oh, yeah, something going way heavy. Alright, so let's see how this is going to work. Let me get all those spacers.
You got screws with it?
No, you got to use the, this one doesn't come with screws.
Probably because motorcycle batteries have screws on.
Oh, yeah. Too big? On any of them?
Yeah, they're all the same size.
Son of a biscuit. You ain't got no bolts here?
Well, that's a wrap.
Alright, we found screws. So, we ended up just getting these little machine screws here. We're going to use that on there. We're going to go top post?
Yeah, I think top.
Alright. So
either top or front.
Okay.
Just depending on how it lays out.
Yeah, so we'll go on top of that. What we did, we used all the spacers here, right? So, again, this is for a motorcycle, right? Because you put in what you want or what the application you're trying to use it for, and they'll send you the right one. I told them it was for Mello's bike, so that's why it's this size here. But we're gonna make it work here, right? So it's gonna go on top of all these spacers. We put all the spacers on the bottom, and then
we got 5, 2, 4, 6.
6 on the bottom.
And then
two on the back side, and then we're gonna set the battery on top, and then the strap is just gonna hold the battery down, hold it tight. You shouldn't have any issues. So let's go ahead and put that joker on. Let me ahead get it brown. Got it. So it's really, I mean, these are nice too because no matter where your cables are coming to, you've got different spots to mount it, right? So you got top, front, and side. So they give you the oh shit, are we gonna need a washer? Okay, go on and look for washers. We'll be back. We ended up switching bolts.
Did you thread these all the way in?
Huh?
Did you thread them all the way in?
I didn't thread them all the way in, no. But no, cockeye. I mean, make sure it goes in. It should go in easy, just like the other ones did. Do the top again.
Down there.
Huh?
So it goes in easy right there.
Yeah, but on the top it went. Both of them went in easy. It's just you gotta. There you go. See?
Oh.
Bubba's got we got a nut on there as well, so we're gonna use that because the bolts are a lot longer than the other ones. We're gonna use the nut to come down as a locking nut. So he's gonna tighten it down as far as it'll go, and then we'll use the nut to lock the eyelet down so it doesn't move around. We just have to tighten that down. You got a little crescent wrench or a wrench or something? There's a torque. You always listen for the clicker. Oh, dude, that's gonna be too high, dude.
You think so?
I think so.
We'll see.
Let's try it. Oh, let's put the strap on. What the fuck? What? Nuts and yeah. Let's don't go there. All right, coming up there. So now we're gonna move it to the front. So we're gonna go ahead and move that to the front side. Screw that down, and then we'll show you what it looks like. That'll probably help it too, Bubba, because if it does start to fall forward a little bit, it's gonna hold it against the plastic. All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right, remove just the positive. Positive's gonna just went to the front.
Yeah, it was just because the cover.
The cover, yeah, it's too high. So now you're gonna put the cover back on, main cover. All right, now let's give her a crank, see what she do. So let's hit the button and then crank it and see if it goes down or anything. All right, ready, Freddy?
Yep.
Here we go. Oh fuck. We're fucked.
Oh, this one's different.
What do you mean?
Negatives on the other side.
What? Bubba! Holy shiitake mushrooms. You didn't blow the bitch up, did you?
I don't know.
God bless America. Alright, so
After 45 minutes.
Always do what, Bubba?
Check the positive and negative. That's on the right side.
I had to replace a fuse because it did blow a fuse, so that's why I wasn't cranking. So now he's gonna go ahead and give her a crank. Hit that. Let's see what it does. Oh man, that's a lot quicker, huh?
Yeah. It's spun a lot quicker.
A lot faster. Oh, see if it's charged.
Oh, I hit the key.
Do it again real quick. Okay, you can't see that it's charging, but once it gets completely charged, that joker is so full. Dude, that's what that shit fast, dude. Damn, son! Hey, give her a run, leave the cover off, run around and see if it moves the battery a lot. We're just trying to make sure that battery don't move around. If it does, we gotta space it out some more. Spacer fell out. So we might have to stick it to the actual battery. That's probably what we'll do. Oh, Josie's ass. But we're gonna run her ass over, look. Oh shit! Beautiful, Kemimoto. Yeah. So what do you think, dude?
It's gonna be a lot better, especially like I feel like in the colder, because colder, which I mean I won't be cutting that much, but even whenever I do colder, it's always harder on the batteries.
Yeah, for sure. So you recommend it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man.
As long as you hook it up the right way.
So yeah. Hey, Kemimoto, great job. Cool product, man. If y'all, like I said, if you want to check them out, you want to go look at the batteries that they have, link will be down below, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate all y'all support, Kemimoto. Appreciate all y'all who watch the channel, who watch the videos. And I appreciate Bubba letting us come over. And Gracie. Thank you! Letting us come over and fuck shit up, basically.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Messed it up, fixed it, messed it up again.
So anyway, all right. Appreciate y'all, Kim folk. Until next time, much love, much respect.
Knuckles out.
See ya!